The other thing that people aren't looking at right now, which we talked about at the very beginning, is what happens if America or Canada do change the currency that we operate in?
Right.
The likelihood of that happening in our lifetime is very strong.
Right.
I'm willing to bet my entire fortune that we'll see it at some point. If it doesn't happen, it would be the first currency in 6,000 years or 2,000 years that it's never happened. Right. There's been over 6,000 different currencies that have gone to zero and been wiped out in 2,000 years.
Right.
So to think that the American and Canadian dollar, it wouldn't happen, is foolish.
Right.
We're in a year. And I think what will happen is we'll see the USD replaced by a US digital dollar, where they claim it's the same, but it'll be a different value.
Right.
Because they'll go back to some tokenized value like Bitcoin, where they're saying there's only so much.
Right.
We can't make more, so now we won't have inflation, and this is what's going to go on.
Right.
When the last time the US dollar was revalued was during the Great Depression, right?
Okay.
So we had the roaring 20s. Gold was $20 an ounce. It had been $20 an ounce for 100 years because gold was money.
Right.
And then they started using IOUs, right? You'd store your gold at the bank. The bank would basically issue you an IOU so that you could carry paper money, and it was backed by gold. And then you could redeem it for gold.